In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change hair in TypeSol. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly change your hair in TypeSol. Everyone will be able to see your new hair, and you will be able to choose any hair available in Roblox by copying the asset ID. So you can go over to the item page, look at the URL for the specific hair that you would like to have, and you will be able to use this barber NPC to change your hair. So to find this barber NPC, all that you have to do is go over to this specific house as I've highlighted here. Keep in mind that there is a very expensive cost for you to change your hair. It is going to be 150,000 Ken. So all that you have to do is go over to this house that you can see highlighted here. Take a look around if you need to know the exact location, and once you talk to the NPC in front of the house, he is going to offer you to customize your hairstyle. Of course, only hair accessories are allowed, and you will be able to enter up to 8 asset IDs. Once you enter at least 1 up to 8 asset ID here, you will be able to confirm and use 150,000 Ken to have it changed. So all that you have to do is go over to this NPC either here or on the Soul Society Barber and interact with him. Change your hair and it is going to be reflected for every single player in the server. So that's all you have to do. If you need help getting the ID, whenever you go over to an item page on Roblox, you will be able to see the URL at the top that includes the item ID or the asset ID. You can alternatively use extensions like Better Roblox on a website, and you will also be able to acquire it immediately. So just go over to the location, talk to the barber NPC, and change your hair using the asset ID presented on any hair that you would like to equip. I hope I was able to help you on how to change hair in TypeSol. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.